So here is an app called Down Hookup and Date dating app. So let's just install it. It's growing in charts recently in the US apps. It's the fastest growing dating and number one hookup app now with 13 million singles worldwide. Doesn't matter what kind of relationship you're looking for, you're in control, liberate yourself, and freely say if you want to hook up or date. Down is the most honest dating app for open-minded singles to connect, express themselves freely, and find what they really want. Explore your dating life in a private and safe dating space. Here is how it is, how it works. So just sign in with phone number, Apple ID, or Facebook. Don't worry, we never post your Facebook wall. Like the cute singles nearby. Once we know you're both down or ready to date, we'll let you know so you can meet. So here is the app, and I'll just show you the process, just as like a tutorial. I don't know, so here are the other options. You can just sign in with Apple. I don't know in which countries this app is available or how many users are in which country. Probably it's mostly working in US and mostly working in big cities in US, whatever. This is just an example. So yeah, this is kind of the app. You can see all of the tags and and then you can just basically start with uploading a photo, and that's basically how you can start creating a profile.